You guys look, I'll tell them how to clean up. Yay! Okay, come on, let's keep going, keep going. Look at this. He took the whole bag out. Yay! Okay, come on. Keep going, we got a lot of pieces. Okay, come on. Let me help you. Yeah. Why are we running errands when it's raining, okay?
Because you wanted to leave
No.
all things for last minute.
Me?
You and me.
Listen, I like to sit at home.
Collectively.
I like to sit at home, watch the rain fall, you know.
Then go home. You have the keys.
Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. But to be honest with you, tomorrow's raining harder, so might as well get it done today. Okay, we got a lot of errands to run today. Okay. This is where we separate because she says I can't be around her
Bye,
when she
Mama.
shops.
Love you.
Good thing I'm a lot more secretive than you are. I bet you I can figure out what she's trying to get. Hi, Bubba. Okay, that's me and you. Let's go. Let's go have fun, me and you. Come on. Get some ice cream. Get some coffee. What else do you want? You look like you're all bundled up and warm. Okay, come on. You see the fish? Huh? Huh? Yeah, let me help you. Then you can see it better. Wow. I know, Bubba, it's cold. You like it? Always, you like the steering wheel more, huh? I wish the store was around when I was furniture shopping. It would have made my life a lot easier because, like, I had to drive to LA like 4 times just to go see sofas. Because when my house was being built, there was nothing around, like literally nothing. When all the stores had like older stuff. Like the store's just so nice. Tashi, you wanna go furniture shopping? Why are you always doing that, huh? Before you were born? No? Before you were born, we're over here, me and your mom, furniture shopping. Left and right. And then when you came... Oh my god, anyways guys, this color's so nice. Oh my god. Damn, I wish I could redo it again. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh, that table. That table is nice. Okay. Guys, if I'm going to redo my bedroom, I think I like this one. With this drawers. But this bed's nice. I'm not gonna lie. Or this color. This color's nice. Okay, so a little material in the back. Okay. Fifi ever asked me that she wants to get a chandelier like this, I swear I would sell the house first. Imagine how much they'll charge you to install that thing. Fifi ever asked me that. Had the rain on us right before we were going home. Taji?
And all over your stuff.
Taji's good. He has a rain protector on. Nice. Okay.
You know, the guy gave me the gift box for free.
Really?
He told me he charges $7.50 for it, but he's like, you know, it's the last one, you can have it.
They charge for gift boxes?
Yeah, they do. At Neiman Marcus, they do.
Okay.
He did one. Because they're legit gift boxes. There's no way you paid for this.
That's not the one I bought.
What? It's empty. Totally.
The ones I bought are these 4.
There's nothing in here. Is that normal?
No, this is empty.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he gets an empty one. Should we go and complain? Yep.
I have to return the other one. Yeah.
That is crazy. This thing's empty.
Where's the
Wow, what a scam. Yeah, these are way heavy. Oh,
To take these back. These are very, like, for some reason, high calorie.
yeah. Dude, there's nothing in this. That's too funny. Hi, Millie. Hi, how are you? You miss the cats? Huh. Look, he's always picking on. Why are you always picking on Millie? Why are you always picking on Millie, huh? You think that's nice? Look, he's going after Sky next. Okay, go get Chase. Chase is over there. Look at him. Sky, should I put him in timeout? We'll put him in timeout. Late night runs to the supermarket. By the way, I just went to Whole Foods. This is my second supermarket. You know why? Because they don't have the coffee that we like to drink, so it's gonna be a long night. Gotta find this coffee. I'm about to go attempt to do some dumb stuff right now. Last week, I didn't move the car because it was raining, and I thought street sweepers were gonna come, and they got me. So I'm about to go jump start it in the rain. Because I ain't gonna wake up at 6 a.m. to move the car.
Should I go?
I don't know, it's up to you. Millie, you wanna come help me? Okay. So this is why I never drive this car. You see the seat? It's a racing bucket seat, okay? And it's a pain in the ass to get in and out of the seat. It doesn't move back and forth. The steering wheel's right here. You literally have to like angle yourself to get inside of here, right? And the battery's dead. I can't pop the hood. So I gotta jump start the power section to even pop the hood. Look. Why is it not working? Oh, come on. There you go. You hear it? It popped the hood. Now let's jump start the car. And just like that, guys, I got it started. And it's pouring rain. God. This is why I bought it. Let's turn it off. Now let's take it off. Here it is. Okay, next one.
Oh, he wants mama now.
He sees you and he's... Look, you have to read the...